In this video, I'm going to teach you how to save Lucidchart file. So in order to do this, first head over to lucidchart.com and then click on the sign up free in order to sign up using your email, or you can also sign up using your Google, Microsoft, or Slack. So into this part, since I already have an account, let me head over and click onto the sign up free. But don't worry because we have in here a login option from there. It's just hidden. So click on this, input your email or username, click on next and log in with your password. So this is what my dashboard looks like. So on my dashboard, I can head over to documents and here I can see all the documents that I have created. Let me head over and open in here this one. Now this is what it looks like. So I want to save this file. Like for example, if you made some changes to this file, you can actually just edit it right here. And as you can see, it's actually saving right now and changes have been saved to the cloud. But I want to save it on my computer. How to do that? So in order to do that, you can head over and click on share option. And then in here, it will show you this share options with shareable links, as well as edit and share option. You can enable this right here and also add people for this part. You can also click on these three dots and you can enable join ID for this. Now, how do I export it or save it on my computer? So I don't want the shareable link, I want the computer one. So let's click on these three lines right here just beside the draft option. Then click on file. And then from in there, you should be able to see this export option. Click onto this export. You can choose from all of these options right here like PNG, PDF, SPG, Visio, and also a lot of this right here. On my case, I'll save it as a PNG. So let me click on that. Click onto this maybe later. And here it was it looks like. And then from in there, click onto this download option in order to download it. And it will generate the file for me. So just wait for that and it will soon be downloaded right here as you have noticed. So that's how you save Lucidchart file. I hope this video helped you out.